Dave, this has been a long time coming. These protests, people were not happy when they saw these charges drop.
Yeah, that's right. The Attorney General's office, they say that this is the result of a long investigation where they looked at a lot of pieces of evidence, videos, social media posts, bylaws that the university has in terms of crowd disbursement and what is legal, what isn't when it comes to expression of free speech. But the demonstrators, including those facing charges, they say this is an unprecedented escalation of tensions. Pro-Palestinian demonstrators taking to the streets of downtown Ann Arbor, pushing back against State Attorney General Dana Nessel's filing of criminal charges for 11 protesters who are mostly U of M students and alumni.
I'm currently facing misdemeanor trespassing charges for participating in the encampment.
Selma Hamami told us about what she says she's gone through since learning about the criminal charges filed against her. The AG's office says they are the result of an investigation into several incidents around the pro-Palestinian encampment at the university's Diag back in the spring. State investigators say in a statement that U of M administrators met with student liaisons nearly a dozen times in 20 days to talk about policy violations and safety concerns at the height of the encampment. Selma says it's clear what the legal action means to her.
I understand that it's a suppression tactic, especially considering our movement has been very prevalent for months now. I am not going to take it as a means to stop advocating for Palestinian human rights or for an end to the genocide. Palestinians are facing much harsher sentences and difficulties than we will ever face. And instead, I just find this to be a sign of the university's desperation, not a sign of our futility.
Investigators say they looked at evidence tied to more than 35 protest participants, including body-worn camera footage, police reports, dispatch calls, orders to disperse, social media posts, and surveillance footage. Protesters we spoke with, including those not facing charges, say they won't be going away anytime soon.
We have wonderful, wonderful lawyers who are volunteering their time to support us, but this will only make the movement stronger. Repression, police violence, charges against protesters, all of these things motivate us further.
Now, we did reach out to the AG's office to get a comment, a reaction to today's news conference by the protesters, including those who are facing charges. We haven't heard back, but we'll read you what the AG's office did say when they initially announced their findings and the legal action there. Attorney General Nessel saying, quote, "A college campus should be a place where the exploration and sharing of ideas and opinions is able to flourish, but conviction in your ideas is not an excuse for violations of the law." That's from the AG in their previous statement. We're live in Ann Arbor. Dave Kinchin, Fox 2 News.
I know some of the attorneys say that these students, their futures could be marred by these charges, but I know that the Attorney General has told Fox 2 and The Pulse that so many of these people who did this, many of them were not even students. They were, I guess you could say, professional protesters or people who came to attend the protests.
Yeah, that's one thing that a lot of these campuses have seen is what have been called, like you said, professional protesters or professional disruptors that have gone to places like Columbia, other universities, and done the same thing. So that's definitely been a factor in a lot of these demonstrations so far.